Alright, so what we're working on today, built this trailer a couple months back, and I put the original Harbor Freight winch that I purchased back in 2010 in here because it was still working. I had to go pick up a buddy's Tahoe, and it was completely disabled, and I hadn't had the control box installed yet, so I decided to start using a jumper cable and trying to make it run otherwise with doing no research. According to the internet, I should have grounded these two together, or connected them, excuse me, not grounded, but connected them, and then put hot to this, and it would have gone in one direction, and then gone from here to here, and put a hot to that. And I don't know if that's right. Don't follow those instructions. That's just what I kept finding online for controlling your winch without a winch controller. So I tried to fix it for about an hour yesterday. No luck. And I need something reliable on here. And I'm going to grab a different buddy's Blazer today with the drive shaft issues. So I want to put a new winch on here. And I like these Harbor Freight ones because they're cheap. And like I said, this one lasted 10 years, and then I messed it up. Made a little run to Harbor Freight yesterday, got a bunch of new toys. That was on sale for 99 bucks, so we're gonna give it a shot. I've been wanting one of those for a while. And then this is a new little remote or wireless winch controller here. Looks like that just plugs right into the control box. You can leave it on there. And then this, yeah, nice. Magnetic. I don't know what we'll put that on. Probably go on the Raptor. But here is what we need today. The new $299 with coupon winch. So let's get her opened up and put on. Alright, before we drop it in there, we're going to take these square nuts, put them in there. See, it's cut out the recess perfect so they can't spin, but nothing holds them in here. So what we're going to do is take a little piece of this Gorilla Tape here and put it over each one of these little holes after we get the nut in there. And then all we have to do is poke a drift pin or a Phillips head screwdriver through there and help line it up, and then run the bolt in. So let's do that. The bolts all staged out here, the ones that came with it. Got a lock washer, and then for peace of mind I threw some blue Loctite on there as well. There, got the, you just barely see the edge of the winch plate there, so we can push that over a bit. And then that nut, just help us line it up. And then we can just shove that bolt in there, and there she is. got it all wired up and make it real easy so you don't even have to worry about reading the directions like everything. They're color coded, so yellow, there's like a little yellow washer, plastic washer in between the winch body and the mounting stud. So that's pretty easy. They're short. They go up to the box here, which we have to remove this still, and then we're just gonna drill a couple holes in the side of this and mount the box up. Then you just have your long red wire, which is kind of unruly right now, but we're gonna leave it for today. And your ground wire, as well as your little ground for your control box. So we got them all hooked up. We're plugged in. Let's see if she works. Yep, there we go. All right. And it's nice because this is my bar right here for the jacks to connect the two jacks together. And the old winch I had in here had a different style, a free spool handle. So it would make contact with that, so you had to like force it, where this one, look at that, perfect. Yep, so we're almost ready to go. We're just gonna get this box mounted up and hit the road.